second harvest is underway at Kuenzi Family Vineyard. Today is Friday, September 13th, 2019. The vines are giving up their fruit to the hurried hands of the picking crew. Nimble fingers remove impurities as the fruit is emptied into bins. The bins are loaded into trailers to be hauled immediately for processing at the winery. These procedures help ensure proper quality control. Harvest came early, prior to the rainfall that plagued most vineyards this year. Everything points to another great vintage.